For the first time in 5 decades, the immigrant population in the United States have declined. According to the data of the Pew Research Center, the drop comes under the President Donald Trump's strict immigration policies during his second term. In the first half 2025, the number of immigrants fell by 1.4 million from 53.3 million to 51.9 million. Well, the decline is linked to the mass deportation, tougher border security, and also volunteer departures. The Department of Homeland Security reported 1.6 million migrants left on their own, while Immigration and Custom Enforcement (ICE) reported over 332,000 people within just 200 days. Another 359,000 migrants were arrested across the US, including the major sanctuary cities such as New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. Despite the decline, immigrants still make up to 15.4% of the US population, higher during the Ellis Island era. About 19% of the American workers are foreign born, and slight decrease in the earlier this year. Trump's administration has reduced the illegal border crossings and fewer of 5,000 per month, with no migrants being released after crossing. Stricter rules now apply to the asylum seekers, visa holders, and foreign students, with violations leading to deportation instantly. Trump has hailed the shift as the negative net migration for the first time in 15 years. Yes, the number of immigration and the illegal migrants have declined simultaneously in the past 50 years. What do you have to say about this decline? Make sure to comment down below. And if you like such content, subscribe to World On. Thanks for watching.